Hi everyone, and welcome to another video in our Research Meets Reality series. I'm Mike Locke, and today we're talking with Omer Minkara, one of Aberdeen's top analysts and head of our research in the field of customer experience as well as sales and marketing effectiveness. Omer, thanks for joining.
Thank you for having me.
Awesome. So why don't we jump right into it here, because today we're talking about AI, which is of course a topic that's hard to get away from these days, but it's also one that has a lot of different meanings and a lot of different sort of potential forms depending on who you are and what part of the business you represent. So let's use this first conversation just to level set on the customer experience or CX space. Omer, what does AI mean to you in the context of customer experience professionals?
Great question. And again, thanks for setting the stage, Mike. So AI means a lot of different things to a lot of different business leaders. And this has actually been a subject of studies for us for many years now as Aberdeen and our CX coverage. So the short answer is AI is all about driving data-driven, intelligent customer conversations, whatever business department it is, sales, marketing, customer service, commerce. But how do you get there is essentially the details around AI. So there's different layers of AI that companies often associate typically with just as AI. So, you'll hear of machine learning as an example. So people will use machine learning in tandem with AI. And machine learning is really a subset of AI capabilities. It essentially takes large language models, large data sets, and really makes sense of it, finds patterns, finds root causes. But there's also visual recognition, there's speech analytics, there's automation, there's a lot more under AI. And as of late, we've been hearing of Gen AI, right? Generative AI. So not only businesses are able to analyze and dissect data, but now they can actually act on that in a more rapid and real-time fashion. That is, with Gen AI, you're able to put input in the form of pictures, videos, text, and ask AI to generate new content for you. So AI is accomplishing all of those things, but at the heart of it, it does one thing and does it really well: drive intelligent, data-driven customer conversations.
Yeah, it's interesting that you bring up all of these concepts and technologies that we've actually been hearing about for a while. So while generative AI feels new, and it's ramping up in terms of its capabilities and its power, there are aspects of AI and machine learning and cognitive computing that have been part of the fabric of a lot of technology infrastructures for quite some time now. There's new ways of using it. There are new monikers for it. But I think that you bring out a really important point, which is it's a more powerful way of empowering data-driven decisions for customer experience professionals. Is that sort of a fair assessment?
It is. And also, just to expand a little bit more on that, Mike. So, a lot of our studies are also geared towards helping CX leaders identify, where do they stack up as it relates to their peers? What are they doing right? What are they doing wrong? So one of the common challenges, no matter the industry, no matter the company size, that business leaders are reporting back to us is a struggle using existing data. So it's not that companies don't have enough data. In fact, they have too much data, right? Both structured and unstructured data, because there's a lot of channels, business departments involved. But what we learned from our recent studies is that 2 out of 3 businesses are struggling using data that is CX data to achieve their objectives. Those objectives could be customer satisfaction, cross-sell, upsell revenue, company revenue growth, cost reduction, whatever the case may be. But 2 out of 3 businesses are telling us that they're not doing a good job. They would like to do a better job. And of the 1/3 of businesses, not every company is fully satisfied. Some are, somewhat satisfied, but not really. So there's room for improvement. So overall, a big chunk of businesses, almost 80% of companies, are turning to AI to solve that problem. That is data-driven business activities, specifically customer interactions.
Yeah. Underutilization of data. It's a huge problem for a lot of companies, and something that pops up in a lot of our different research studies that we do at Aberdeen. So fantastic points. So that's it for this installment here. Thanks to everyone for watching, and please make sure to follow Aberdeen more closely as we roll out more of our perspective on AI and other business and technology topics.